Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Maitanna. We have seen in lesson number 5 last time. Now unit lesson number 6 Sarva Charutaram Vasante. Everything more beautiful in spring season. Vasant, that you know, spring. Charutaram, beautiful. Sarva means all. Or everything more beautiful in spring season. Written by Kalidas. Mahakavi Kalidas is a renowned poet of Sanskrit as well as of the world. Renowned, very famous poet of Sanskrit as well as of the world. He is considered to be the father of Sanskrit literature. He had written a total of 7 works, of which he which Malvikyagnammitra, Vikrama, Vashyam, Abhignan Sankutalam are plays. Raghuvansam and Kumar Sambhavan are long. Poet Mahakavya and Ritu Samhar and Meghdutam are Khand Kavyas. He was very famous. 7 works he has written. Among them, Malvika Mitram, Vikramavyashyams, Kumar, Abhignan Sankutalam are plays. Raghuvansam and Kumar Sambhavam are long poems. Mahakavya and Riti Samhar and Meghdutam are Khand Kavyas, short. It is believed that Kalidas was one of the 9 gems at the court of Maharaja Vikramaditya. It is believing like this that he is one of the gems out of 9 gems in the court of Vikramaditya. On that basis, it can be estimated that Kalidas lived during the 1st century of the Vikram era, about 2000 years ago. It is estimated, we can imagine that he lived in 1st century at the time of Vikram era, means about 2000 years ago. This poet has been hailed as the master of nature as well as of simile. Simile, that you know, comparison. Master of nature. He highly appreciated the nature. The poet has been hailed as the master of nature as well as the simile. On the one hand, he has personified many objects of nature in Abhignan Sankutalam, and on the other hand, he has unique vivid description of nature in Riti Samhar and Meghdutam. He has personified many objects, many things of nature in this book Abhignan Sankutalam, and on the other hand, unique vivid descriptions of nature in Ritu Samhar and Meghdutam. In this lesson, we shall study 5 verses describing spring Vasant. From Ritu Samhar, we will learn how object can be described and also the uses of Tatpurush Samas compound. In this lesson, we shall study 5 verses describing the spring season, Vasant. These particular poems are taken from the Ritu Samhar, in which only the description of season is there, and how the object can be described, that also we realize. Starting from first, Druma Sapushpa, Salilam Sapadmam. Druma, Sapushpa with flowers. Salilam, that means water. Sapadmam means lotus. Striya Sakama Pavan Sugandhin. Oh beloved, everything more beautiful in the spring season. The trees are all in bloom. Druma, trees. Shukha Pradosha Divasach Ramyaha. सर्वप्रिय चारुतरम वसंते. Again, oh beloved, everything is more beautiful in the spring season. The trees are all in bloom. The water, lake, etc. is with lotus. Sapadma means lotus, Kalilam means water. Striya Shakama, ladies are full of feelings. The wind is Pradosha Shivascha Ramyaha, the wind is fragrant. Pavan Sugandhi, Pavan that you wind, Sugandhiha, giving fragrance. And Sukha Pradosha Divascha Ramyaha, everything are happy and days are pleasant. Divastat Ramyaha, Divasach, the days are pleasant, happy. In first stanza, again the poet want to say to the people that everything more beautiful in the spring season. If you take the example of trees are full of in bloom, water is full of lotuses or is with lotuses, ladies who has higher feelings, and the winds giving fragrance. That means everything are happy or is happy. Days are pleasant, good. Stanza number 2. ददाति सौभाग्यम वापी जलानां मणि मेखलानां. वापी जलानां मणि मेखलानां. मणि मेखला वीरिंग वेस्ट कास्ट. वापी जला वाटर ऑफ लेक, वाटर ऑफ लेक. मणि मेखलानां wearing waistband of jewels. Then Sasank Basam Pramad Jananam. Sasank Basam having luster like moon. Sasak as you know moon. Pramad Jananam who are lazy, giving activeness to persons. Amra Drumanam Kusumantam. Amra that you know, mangoes is about to ripe. And Dadati Saubhagyam Vasantaha. This Vasant, this season giving happiness. Again, this spring season, stanza number 2, bestows beauties on the water of the pond and on the ladies having a luster like that of the moon. Sasank Asam Pramad Jananam, and wearing the vest Amra Druvanam Kusumna, band of jewels, and on the mango trees bent with the lord of flowers. Dadati Saubhagyam Vasantaha gives higher beauty. This season gives higher beauty to everything. In this stanza, the beauty of this season is explained here, talking about the water of the pond, ladies luster like a moon, and wearing the waistband of jewels, and mango trees bent with the lord of the mangoes. Higher description here explained by the poet to this particular matter. Number 3, stanza number Karneshu Yogyam Navkarnikaram. Navkarnikaram, fresh karnikar flower. Then Navmil Kaya. This particular matter. And Chaleshu Nil Veske Sokam Shikhasu Pushpam Nav Mallikaya Prayanti Kranti Pramuda Janana. Third one, fresh carnical flowers. The name of the flowers? Karneshu Yogya Navkarnikar. Flowers suitable to be worn on the ears. You can wear it in the ears. Prayati Kranti Pramada Jananam. And Asoka flowers on the loose black hair. And Nir Mallika flower on the top knots of young ladies look beautiful. In third, Karneshu Yogya Navkarnikaram Chaleshu Nileshwar Shokam, which can be worn in ears. Shikhasu Pushpam, upper part, Shikha, Pushpam, Nav Mallikayaha, looking good on the ladies. Prayanti Kranti Pramada Jananam. And these particular flowers look beautiful on the top head of the ladies. That is explained here. Prayanti Kranti, as you know, Alkeshu in head, Alkeshu. Navkarnikar Chaleshu Nilesh Shokam Shikhasu Pushpam Nav Malikaya Pratantu Kranti Pramada Jananam. Then looking good in the hair. Vasansi cloths, Kranti Prayati attain beauty. Prayati Kranti attain beauty to the ladies. Wearing flowers, wearing ornaments in ears, the ladies look good. That is explained here in the season of Vasant. And number 4, Guruni Vasansi Vihai Turna. Guruni Vasasi Vihai Turna. And this particular matter is being explained it in proper way so that we can learn it in a proper manner, which we should learn it in a proper way. So in third stanza this is being explained it in a proper way. Again, stanza number 3, Pramad Jananam, women of young or young ladies, Karneshu in the ears, Nav Karnikaram, fresh carnical flower, Chaleshu moving, Alkeshu in the hair, Alkeshu, see, in the hair, and Shikhasu on the crest top part, Nav Mallika Pusham, fresh Mallika. So the total particular words given it, and if you see the translation of stanza number 3, then fresh carnical flower suitable to be worn on the ears, Ashok flower on the loose black hair, and Nav Mallika flower on the top knots of young ladies look beautiful. That means this season is also considered to be the season of flower, and it adds some beauty to the ladies when they wear. Number 4, stanza number 4, Guruni Vasasi Vihai Turna Taluni Laksar Sar Jitani Sugandh Kala Guru Dupitani Tate Janaha Kamdalsa Anga. See, Kam Dalsa Angaha, that means having a body feeling lethargy due to ecstasy of Guruni Vasansi, heavy garments, Vihai, giving up, Sugandh Kala Guru Dupitani, fumigated with the smoke, Laksar Satani. It looks good. If you see the translation of number 4, people whose body is lethargic, Guruni Vasasi Vihai Turnaha, Laksar Jatani, whose body is lethargic due to ecstasy of love, quickly give up heavy garments, giving Tanuni Laksa Satani Sugandh Kala Guru Pitani, Date Janaha Kam Mad Dal Sangaha. wear the light garment that are dyed with black color and fumigated with the fragrant smoke of sandalwood. Looking good, Sugandh Kala Guru Dupitani, looking good with this particular Date Janaha Kam Maldasani, and it looks good, that shows that people whose body is lethargic and who observe this ecstasy of feelings love, giving heavy garments and wear the light garments that are dyed with black, and instead of heavy garments they try to use or try to wear light garments. Number 5. Kim siku kisukehi sukham vibnam vinah kim karnika kusuminam hatam manojehi yat kokilaha punrayam madhur vachobihi yuna naraha suvadnahi ni hitam nihanti. See again number 5. Sukham pachi vibaha, that means whose color is like that of the beak of parrot. Sukha, that you parrot. Kishukehi, by Kesuda flowers. Kimna binam, what is not broken. Manognehi karnikar kusumehi, by the attractive karnikar flowers. Kimna hatam, what is not struck. Ayam kokilaha, this kaku, madhurehi vachobihi, by sweet cooking. Suvadanahitam, placed in the ladies having beautiful face. Yunam of Yat, Nihanti is striking, is killing. See the translation of number 5. Stanza number 5. Kim Kishukehi Sukam Vijim Vivaha, whose outer appearance like parrot. Sukaha, parrot. Win, finding difference. Kim Karnika Kusum Hataha Manojehi. Why this particular karnik flowers look so attractive? Yato kilaha punrapi, but by the voice of the kokil, or what you call it, kaku, it attract people's mind. Is not the mind of Yat interested in ladies with beautiful face, broken by the kesuda flower, bright like the beak of a parrot? Again, is not the mind of the Yat interested in ladies with beautiful faces, broken by the kesuda flower, bright like the beak of a parrot? Yat kokil pundra madhur vachobihi, and eat by the beautiful carnival flowers. Why then this kokil kaku bird is killing it again by its sweet notes? Why it attract us? Madhur vachobihi, by speaking, by telling good words. Why it attract the people, that what we have to observe, what we have to say, these particular points that we should keep in mind. In this 5 stanza, the poet described the beautiful description of this particular matter and try to attract our mind by using it in a proper way, and it shows that it has higher affection on this particular matter. That is why it looks good and it is believing like this in a proper way, proper manner. That shows that Kalidas, who is considered to be the best poet, best person who has higher feeling, and he wrote many works as we know, and very famous, considered to be the father of Sanskrit literature. Famous not only in our country, all over world, when concerned with the Sanskrit language. He is considered to be the Shakespeare of India. As Shakespeare higher contribution in English, and he is considered to be the father of English literature. Kalidas higher contribution in Sanskrit literature, and that is why he is considered to be the father of Sanskrit literature. That shows that his contribution cannot be neglected, and we must think it properly so that we realize, we understand it in a proper way. We must take care that if we read his book, poem, drama, then we realize higher philosophy is there in this particular book. Bring this the end of this lecture. We have seen translation. Now in next lecture we will see question answer and remaining particular points that we will see next lecture. Translations you will write, I will send PDF, you will see this and write in your book translations and meanings. This brings the end of this particular lectures. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.